In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini Live. To get started, open the Gemini app on your Android or iPhone and sign in to your Google account. Make sure you're using an account that has access to Gemini Live, as availability depends on your subscription plan, device, and region. Next, look for the Live button or the waveform icon on the main Gemini screen. Tap it to start a live voice conversation with Gemini. If this is your first time using the feature, allow the microphone permissions when prompted. After that, choose one of the available voice options if you're asked to select a voice. Once the setup is complete, Gemini Live will be ready to listen. Now begin speaking naturally. You can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, practice a language, plan a trip, solve problems, or discuss almost any topic just as you would in a normal conversation. Next, continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions without repeating all the previous details. Gemini Live remembers the context of your discussion, making the interaction feel more natural. After that, if you want Gemini to help with something more specific, clearly explain your request. For example, you can ask it to summarize information, generate ideas, explain complex topics, or help you prepare for a meeting or interview. Now, if your version of Gemini Live supports additional features, you may be able to share your camera or screen during the conversation. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the required permissions and let Gemini use the shared content as context for your questions. Next, when Gemini responds, listen to the answer and continue the discussion naturally. You can interrupt with another question or ask Gemini to explain something in more detail if you need additional clarification. After that, end the conversation by tapping the end or hang up button when you're finished. Your conversation may appear in your Gemini chat history, so you can review it later if that feature is available. Finally, keep experimenting with different prompts and conversation styles to discover how Gemini Live can help with learning, productivity, brainstorming, travel planning, writing, and everyday questions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Gemini Live. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn with Igor for more tutorials.